Mom, shouldn't we be going to the store by now to go get school supplies? School's starting tomorrow. Ask your other mom. Mommy? Yes, sweetheart. When are we going to the store to buy school supplies? We are going to the store whenever I'm ready because I am not ready at the point right now. Okay. Maybe I can go down the stairs.
Can we get you anything else? Some more soup? Maybe some blankets?
And check the mail. Got nothing in it. I think I'm ready to go, girls. Get ready. I'm ready, Mom. Me too. Okay, let's go. Meanwhile, in the car, I parked the car in the front so we can all get in. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and get in.
Who is he and why is he here? Well, he didn't have an invitation, so maybe I kept him another soup. It's him. Stranger reveal thyself.
Get in. I'm getting in, gosh. Plus, you have to move up a little. There, now get in. I'm getting in, gosh.
Excuse me. Hello. Sorry. I'm so sorry that you went through all of that. It's horrible. And whoever turned you away really didn't have the right, and it's my wedding. And only I say who's invited and who isn't. It was me. I turned you away to kill me. Spare everyone else. No.
Okay, let's go.
You've already taken a heart. Right. And I have an invite to an even better party than this one. And hell, there, you'll find everything you're looking for. More food, companionship, a captive audience. No,
Okay, kids, go in and find your stuff. Yay.
True, but it has mine. And you could be my plus one. Sabrina, you can't. We're just going to a party in hell. Nancy, what could go wrong?
Okay, first. Ooh, pink backpack. I love pink. I love pink.
This is my honored guest. Will you
I'm thinking I should get the pink water bottle that has pink on it. And I will get these sunglasses and this orange box. Then this pink in this pink purse. And I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. Now it's Sissy's turn first. I'm gonna go put all of this on the car. Putting this stuff in this car.
But hold on. I think I gave you one earlier today. If you're thinking what I'm thinking, I think you did.
What do you want about?
We may have a plan. But you're gonna have to listen closely, Dad. Because we're only gonna get one shot at this.
I'm gonna bring this to Sissy. Here's this. Thanks. My backpack. And I'm gonna pick it up while Sissy gets her
This
stuff.
is gonna sound a little sudden.
I'm gonna get this backpack. And then this.
So, I was wondering if you would maybe consider.
Ooh, maybe I should get a toy.
Mary,
Sister.
you hear me out. If we got married,
Ooh, I like this
we
little
would be
thing.
welcomed into
Little
realms, and
foxy.
furthermore, you'd be.
I'm thinking sister would like this little pets because she loves pets. There. Then I could get this book for my class. Here is a gift, thank you. This cup. Ooh, Rubik's Cube. Sister already has one. These two. What else? Maybe I should get all of this. Just want to bring it. I'm gonna get a blue purse. My favorite colors, blue and red. I'm gonna get me and sister phones. We don't have it, so we have something to do on the bus. And also a blanket or something. And I'll get a charm. And there. Done. Now it's can you go put this stuff in the bag? I got too much stuff. Of course. After putting everything in the bag. Oh, okay, I'm done. Let's go to the house now because I am all done. Oh frick. These things fell out of the bags. Okay, now we can go. Now we can go home. Don't mind the background, guys. My Mimi is watching a movie, so yeah. After putting everything inside, and after getting all of the school supplies ready and in the backpack.
Clues as to the terrors yet to come. Now, we've already encountered the dark and the uninvited. But we believe that there are 6 more terrors yet to come, culminating with the arrival of the void. And with it the end of all things. Of sanity, of reality, of the universe itself.
We suspect the villain Faustus Blackwood. Kill him immediately. And without mercy.
We believe the next terror to come will be the weird. Though we have no idea when it will manifest, in what form, or where.
Why are they coming to Greendale? Do we know?
I don't have an answer to that question presently. Can the Dark Mother protect us from the terrors?
The lunch boxes. And here. Then I'm going to Then they are going to bed. I'm going over here to sleep. Yeah, I'm going on top bunk. I have to get out and go to bed too.
Oh yeah, I heard. Weirdly enough, I actually held a live octopus in my hands once. It's sea taken.
I have to take my shoes off. There, now. I'm sleepy.
Lab partners, and so maybe I can ask you to dinner, so you can give me the lay of the land back.
Level.
There.
Mr. Wright,
I'm going to go to bed.
the universe has sent you a kid. Seemingly straight. Seemingly single boy who's on the swim team. What if he's Mr. Right? You. I know.
There. The next door neighbor's house. I'm going to put my other slipper on. You're going to sleep in the floor, and I'm going to sleep on the
Why
top.
are you here in my house? I came to tell
Actually,
you
I'm
that
going to
you
sleep in the floor, and
are
you're
unclaimed.
in one of y'all's.